And what's up, pups? I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. My name is Saint Wolf. I hope that each and every one of you survived this weekend. It's April 15th today. We almost went into full-blown World War III, but let's go in and just see how everything's doing before the markets open, and we find out what our bags are really going to look like. All right, let's go. All right, you can see BTC is at 66,204. It broke that uptrend, no more higher lows there. You see we smashed right through and we're coming up and we're retesting it right now. Really don't know what's going to happen until big money makes a decision. We have this now, depending on where you want to put it. It's really hard to say what's going to happen, but let's take a look here at the Dixie. Dixie is still holding very strong. Looks like it could reverse, but there's bigger things at play right now we need to be aware of. Gold, I wanted to show you this. We do have this candle here, which is a very bearish candle. The long wick on top means the price opened and was smashed down very low. If we go to the monthly, you can see also what happened here. But I also want to show you on the monthly, you can see back in 2022, in March, we had a similar candle like this on the monthly, and look what happened. We had 7 monthly months down on gold after this candle. You can see a similar candle here. Now remember, this has not closed yet, so I just want you to be aware though. We went down, bullish engulfing, we've gone up, and we're here waiting to see how this fills out. But as you see on the weekly, we've already created, well, it's still not quite finished yet, but it looks very clear. But I want to also show you down here, you made one March 24th, and what did we do? Instead, we broke up. So right now we have to be aware that the news is going to move things very easily, whether they talk about escalation in the war or possible de-escalation. It's going to affect things more than what the price action did yesterday or the week before. All right, now let's just start over here with Pulse. Let's see what's going on. I created this channel here that we've been moving down. This was a target I drew quite a long time ago based off, don't remember exactly what patterns I was seeing up here. And we did hit it. We've now bounced. And I do think we are, unless something dramatically changes, we're going to fill this out and bottom back on this line here, which is absolutely fine. This is a higher low support going back all the way to July of 2023. We've just been on this uptrend. It's absolutely fine if we come and touch this, considering what's happening, as long as we hold this. If we don't hold this, I did draw this zone down here. So if we hold this, we're in that zone and we're looking really good. If we fall down lower, and my worst case scenario is 0.00004. Okay, almost half a sack. That's the worst case scenario. Best is we just fill this out, we bounce, and then we continue going sideways until we move and continue on the uptrend, just like we did here. We've come down, we bottomed again, and continue moving up to hit it again, but once again a higher low, and we could do something similar here once again until we really begin to get really bullish once again. PulseX, once again, Pulse is the daddy here, but PulseX didn't even come and touch this support line that was also going back all the way to September of 2023. It seems even more bullish, but it was sold down more to begin with. And it's doing a similar thing. Okay, so once again we can expect it to double. Maybe it does touch this again and goes up again. I think depending also what Pulse is going to do. Incentive, very similar. We've got a channel, I've got a descending wedge here. It looks good. Once again, it came right into my channel, and I think we're going to fill this out until we make a decision whether we're going to continue to be more bearish and drop into the even lower channel I have, which is between $2 and $1.40. But if we stay in this and we hold $3, we're going to bounce around in here. Once again, maybe a double, triple bottom, and then we are going to take off to the upside, just like with Pulse. Okay, let's look at the super trends really quick. On the daily, we are red. On the 3-day, we're red. On the weekly, we're still green. We're looking good. I want to check that on pulse too. So 3-day, we are red. On the weekly, we are red. So something to be aware of. We may definitely come down and fill this out. And what we want to see is we want to stay above this support line. Okay, that support line right now at where we are, if we were to drop down, is at 0.000065. Okay, and that would be absolutely fine. We just don't want to make lower lows. We want to stay making higher highs. Somebody was at the door. Okay, PTGC. Let's see what's going on. We have now a descending wedge. I have this channel I've had drawn for quite some time because I was pretty confident we're going to come into it, and I do think we could. Once again, it has a little bit more to do with pulse, but seeing that super trend on the weekly is red, we may start to come down as an ecosystem into some of the lower ranges. Now, it doesn't mean we're completely bearish, doesn't mean bull run's over. This could reverse at any time. You need to be aware of that. So I haven't sold a single PTGC. I haven't sold a single Pulse, PulseX, or Inc. I haven't touched a single one. I just want you to know, even though I could clearly see on the charts we were going lower. Okay, but that's my position. You need to decide what's good for you. Not financial advice. You know, you shouldn't be as degenerate as I am. And you should probably sell, actually. You should sell, run, you know. But you can see I'm holding on, and I'm confident as long as we stay on this line, we're just going to continue down. Hopefully we'll just fill this out a little bit, and once we find that bottom, we'll take off again. Now I just have to show you really quick, worst case scenario, the lowest side of this, I have it down here at 0.00002. Okay, and if we break out here, it could come down here. It could even we could just go sideways until we come close to that by just continuing trending down, but maybe we just fill this out, and then when we launch, this is a very bullish pattern. We would just absolutely take off like a bat out of hell from here, and it would be quite beautiful. We could come down into this for quite a long time. This could fill out for a long time, much longer, probably to the summer, and then we take off. It's very possible, especially if Pulse gets a little, continues to go down as well, to fill that out. But I'm not worried about it at all. It's a great project. I'm also looking into the staking. Maybe I'll make a video about that to give you more details on that. Let's look at Pulse Pub. Pulse Pub, same. Look at that. They're all making very similar patterns. Okay, we got a descending wedge. Let's go to the daily. Okay. This is also following Pulse because it's tied by liquidity and arbitration bots. It's an ETF on Pulse Chain. I see no problems here. It's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. It's moving down with Pulse Chain. And when Pulse Chain takes off, it will take off. And the way it's making this pattern, when it does take off, I think it's going to take off like a bat or a puppy out of the kennel. It's just been saved. All right. And I think we're going to come down into this channel, $13, which is a phenomenal buy. If it does, if things don't get bullish immediately, we're going to find out in just a little bit. Let's check again. Once again, it's 320. Market will open in 10 minutes, so we'll come back and look at this again. DAI is unbelievable. It is unbelievable. It is holding hardly a person. You see this chop here? It's just pure indecision. Some people sold, some people buying. People are really uncertain what to do here, and that's very clear. But the truth is, the bottom line is nobody is selling. It is not moving. So this might be our new floor for DAI. And that is absolutely fine because we've done everything beautifully, cup and handle. We got support here. We've retested this beautifully with another cup and handle. I mean, this is unbelievable. I hope you guys see this. So you've got this cup and handle played out here. If you didn't buy here and you didn't see this, I don't know what's wrong with you. I'm not sure I can help you. We made another cup and handle, the bottom of which did a beautiful test of structure. I mean, just incredibly beautiful. Look at that. And we did another cup and handle. We have launched out of there. And now we're in this indecisiveness, but this is probably our new floor because the structure has been tested and it is holding on perfectly. Okay, so this is going to be our new floor unless something really bad happens and Israel and Iran go at each other's throats. We're looking good. We'll probably come here when this chop figures out what it wants to do. Maybe it'll make some kind of cup and handle once again, and we're just going to keep going up. 149 million market cap, 1.2 liquidity. 0.006 cents puts that 140x away from $1. Okay, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. This is gorgeous. Okay, another one, proof of work, Bitcoin. did not move. It just, nobody is letting this one go. This is beautiful. We've got a cup and handle. Looks like you might say it already formed. We can maybe say this was already it. And we're about to take off from here. Once again, I just see this chop as some indecisiveness. Everyone's uncertain right now, especially with what happened this weekend. Is Israel going to strike back? Are we? Where are we? Where are we? And that's what some of the charts just show me clearly. Okay, let's see if the Dixie's already moving. Yep, the Dixie is already going up a little bit. So maybe this is some pre-market. If I see the market get a little bit bullish right in the beginning, sometimes it will reverse after that. So that can be a bit bad. I mean, depending on which side you want to go. Let's look at, let's keep our eyes here. Okay, let's see what's going on. We'll come back in a second. Well, this is a perfect place for a bounce. So this looks like it would bounce from here. Now let's come over here to ETH. ETH is nothing special to see here. Similar to what Bitcoin is doing. As you can see, this was broken. We are retesting it. Okay, Inu. Okay, maybe this could be time to buy Inu, though I don't like this M, but at the same time, it is a meme. Could do anything. Let's see. This is Infinity. Infinity is an amazing project. It earns you BFF token and no nukes, which some of you guys don't know what they are, but they are going to be massive memes on Pulse Chain via the Atropa ecosystem. And this is in accumulation. Absolutely nothing wrong with where it is. It's at a resistance point right now. Let's see what happens. Mike, I just picked up a little bit Mike because once again, it's in my zone. Okay. When I have a lot of zeros, more than 2, a lot of times I'll switch to market cap. You guys might see that because I get very confused. 8 zeros, 7 zeros, 9 zeros, 4 zeros. I get lost and I make mistakes sometimes. I did that with PDI, and actually I don't have as much as I thought I had because I missed a 0. So now I just switch it to market cap. So sometimes you'll see me do that. And now you know the reason why. And I recommend it too because that's all I really care about, right? This one's not that bad though. It's only 2 zeros, so it's very easy. So it's at resistance right now. Let's see what it does. Great place to pick some up. Hard is in this triangle. Is it going to break up? Is it going to break down? I do think it is going to come down, even if just to here at 1.5 million market cap. Let's just go to price because this one's pretty easy. I like it when they make these prices easy at 28 cents. I think it might go down to 20 cents or 16 cents. That would be a good buy. It's a good buy now. You could absolutely pick some up, but the bigger wallets have a lot, so I'm waiting for lower prices on this one. DAI is another one I really like. I've been earning a lot of DAI with this one. 181,000 market cap. I don't even need to tell you what to do with that. It's just been gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's go look at, oh, shoot, you guys didn't see any of that, did you? Okay. Apologies, you guys missed the last few charts. I will redo some of those. Excuse me. It is springtime here in Central Europe. Let's see. Okay. Well, let's just do this so you guys can see everything. All right. We'll start over. We looked at Mike and hard, right? You guys want to see Mike and hard, so let's just put it in here. You guys can see it. Cool. Okay. So Mike is in this beautiful range. It is in my buy zone by quite a bit. I did just pick some up. I think it's in a great range right now to accumulate. Let's see, what else do you guys want to see? You guys saw Pulse Pop. duck. Let's see what HOA is doing. What is HOA doing? Okay, HOA has broken out, retested, and it is looking good. It's looking bullish here. I think that it could come lower. I think this structure could be. I don't like this. I don't like this candle right here. Okay, I feel like it was touched, and if it's really bullish, it is going to go. But I feel like even a double bottom or a little bit of filling out here before we take off, maybe we can come down here, hit it. We'd go as a double bottom. Let's see what it does. We saw WBTC. You guys saw Crow. Crow was one that really took off when it's $624 million. Holy, oh good lord, what is that? In March. Wow. Yeah, this is what a bullish chart looks like. This is people really want this Chronos chain on Pulse chain. That's great. It's at support. It's looking really good. Let's see what it does. I don't see anything wrong with this. We want to see it just to remain in this uptrend. Absolutely nothing wrong. Let's see if it keeps going up. I don't have any Chronos on Pulse. Only on ETH I have some. Finfire. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, great. This has come down. When did this break out? On the 6th. I was not even paying attention, was I? That's great. So this is Finfire. Maybe I'll make a video of this. This is where you can do a lot of the Atropa 414 projects, and other developers have projects. There's farms and stuff on Finfire, things that aren't obviously Richard Hart connected projects, and they're very cool developers. That's where I think Sunny's projects are on there. Uju Web Chef. You should check it out. Finfire. Gophers. Let's see what Gophers did. 7.2 million market cap. I don't remember where it was looking last time. Yep, and as I expected. So this broadening wedge, it played out, came down, and we are trending toward here for sure, which is about 500 bucks. 100% we're going to go there, which is right here. But maybe we're pretty close. Maybe the double bottoms. Sorry, my mic died. Let's see if we can get this. I'm at my friend's studio, actually. Let's see if this connects. Okay. Hello. All right, we're back. How you doing? Let's do me a favor. Give me a like, subscribe. Any questions you have, put them down below. Any requests for particular projects, I promise I'll look at it. Let's look over here. Gophers, as I was saying, I think we're going to come down to fill this out. If you guys are curious, maybe this is good. Maybe this is what we get. If you're interested in this project, you are looking good. I would not think twice about picking some up in here. Yep. Okay. Let's see. Here on launch. Solid X. Okay. Let's see what's going on. 2 billion back up. Okay. So this came down. Was an amazing buy zone for this project. It did do a retest down there. Look at that. I had 44 bucks. Back up to 90 bucks. Well, I don't know what to tell you. It's looking good. I don't know. It's hard to say right now. It's too new. Has it bounced? Is it going to come back and touch this? We'll have to see. We'll have to see what it does. It's a brand new project. We don't have a lot of information on it yet. One thing we do see is that it's a $2 billion market cap and $419,000 liquidity. How that's possible, I don't know. I'm not going to get into speculate, and I'm not touching it right now. But a market cap like this, I need to see at least a couple mil of liquidity, at the very least. It's fascinating. Be curious about the tokenomics of that, how that happens. HHS, a project that I've been curious about. Is this just a meme? Let's see when it touched this last. January 24th, February 24th. Look at that. It's been in this uptrend. Okay. I see nothing wrong with this. This looks very bullish. 177,000 market cap. I'm not totally sure what this is, what it does, though I have been hearing about it. Let's see. Let's go on the daily. This has just been hanging out in here. Came in. Maybe it's coming down. Yeah, could be coming down. Do you guys see what I saw? I just want to show you this really quick. See the RSI. It was a retested. Looks like it's coming down. You could see something similar like that happened here too, where the RSI was constantly moving up. Okay, broke retest, popped retest. So you do that. You now use Confluence to look at some other items. Like, okay, is that happening? Okay, yeah, it could be reversing. I see a possible reversal candle, but do we just stay here and hold on support, touch this candle and go? That's really what matters the most. That's what we want to see. In that case, it's going to remain bullish because this is an amazing uptrend starting all the way back in January, beginning of January. It's just been on fire. So, got on my watch list already. All right, let's see. We've looked at the RH tokens. Let's see 414. Do we look at a dot? Yeah, we did. It's on fire. BFF. Let's see what's going on BFF. Okay. Oh, I don't know how to stop it when it does that. BFF. Okay. BFF's a $3.6 million market cap at 4,669. Okay. Wow, look at that. Wow. Look at that. Now, we came down here. You had some time to buy right here. And hope you pick some up because it looks like we're making a inverse head and shoulders right now. So do you guys see that? Right shoulder, head, left shoulder. And if that's happening, it's gonna make a new high. So it might be about there. We're gonna smash through that $8,000 level they want to make. This is a really cool project. Very cool project. Teddy bear. Let's see what's going on with teddy bear. Teddy bear. How much charge do I have? Cool. Teddy bear. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'll do a detailed one on this. It's been in this uptrend. It broke. We're going to be doing this one. Now, I'm not crazy about this right now. I think it is a meme, and I think it's just undecided with the market right now. Like a lot of memes. Do people want to be bullish on it or bearish right now? That's it. I wouldn't worry about it. If the market goes bullish, this is going to get bullish very, very fast. So you should be accumulating. I think where it is right now is a fine place to accumulate there. You're still at support. Nothing wrong with that. You could pick up some. If we drop down lower, you can keep picking it up. You're only at a $24 million market cap. Memes are going into the billions right now. And this is probably the meme on Pulse Chain that reflects well on the ecosystem, as well as very well connected to Richard Hart, being the teddy bear. So highly recommend DCAing into this. Not financial advice. Let's see. Bullion, Cletus. NBA. This one's really cool. This one's not broke anymore. Staying in this upward channel. This one Maria Rahel talked about just buying and holding, that it would just continue up, and so far it's staying in this channel. It's just kind of moving up. Let's see what happens. There was a new one that just came out. I think it was called Discovery. Let's look up Discovery. Discovery paired with no nukes, 3.7 million. It's just been on a tear, absolute tear. Let's see if we've got some 1 hour information. Yeah, that it's just been on a tear. Looks like this may be a reversal. Let's see what we got. It's very new. Really hard to say what's going on. All right. Let's go to Atropa. Of course, let's see what Atropa is doing. Atropa looks beautiful. Very similar to Dye. Made this cup and handle. Very beautiful. And you can see what we've done. Okay, we've come up and smashed it. Hit the target. Now we're consolidating on this new support. The structure has been tested. We've retested this. We've retested this. And we've retested now this, which was another cup and handle. Hope you guys see that, right? Hope you see this other cup and handle. And what did we do? Let's see what it does. Oh. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Bam. It's giving you, it's very bullish. Let's just say that's very bullish. All right, you just got tons of confluence, and it's looking great. Okay, Tropa, P-Die, you guys should be taking these projects very seriously. Okay, Tropa and P-Die. Let's come over here to Pulse Rewarder A1A. Look at. If you guys have any requests, put them down below. We will look at these. Let's go to Ink. Let's see what Caviar is doing. Caviar, you earn Hex. This actually looks quite bullish. Let's see what happens. Oh, Jedi. Yes, let's see what Jedi is doing. Here, I'm earning lots of die with this one. What is happening? This looks like it could be reversing soon. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, let's go back. Market is open. Let's see what happened. DJI, yep, gapped up just like it's just like I said. We're gonna bounce. We bounced right from here. That's a good sign. That means BTC, well, still waiting. Big money. Dollar is still very bullish as well. This tells me the bounce on the open is not necessarily a good sign for me. I think that this means we're going lower. Sometimes when you see it dip back down on the open, within an hour we'll reverse. And I think we're within an hour of this open, we're going to reverse. So we're going to, what are we looking at here? Okay, that's fine. Let's go to the 4 hour. We'll probably fill that out. Is this our new channel? What are we doing? And we're going to come right back down and probably make a lower low. But let's see what happens. We don't know for sure. Maybe I'll do an update very soon. You guys, that was 30 minutes. I'm going to wrap it up. If you have any requests, anything you want to know, put it down below. I really appreciate your likes, and stay safe out there. Don't do anything too crazy. Kind of the best thing to do right now, to some extent, is just hold. DCAing into some good projects is fine. You can do it if you know what you're doing. But really, the best advice, just chill. Just try to be calm, cool. I know it's crazy, but you're more likely going to hurt yourself if you overtrade right now. So just be cool. And until next time, later.